Good morning everyone. I am V. Pavni studying in 10th class in Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Residential School Girls Salu. So every organism needs oxygen to live. So where is this oxygen produced? Where do we get this? Yes, we get this oxygen in plants which is made by the process called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process in which simple inorganic substances are converted into complex organic substances such as glucose, oxygen in the plants by using sunlight as an energy source is called as photosynthesis. If we see this diagram, in the roots, water, minerals and nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphate, etc. are taken by roots, and in the leaf, sunlight is trapped in the chloroplast in the form of photons, and the whole process of photosynthesis takes place here, and the glucose and oxygen is produced. The first photosynthesis reaction is proposed by C.B. Van Nine, and the reaction is CO2 plus 2H2O in the presence of sunlight and using chlorophyll gives rise to CH2O plus H2O plus O2. This reaction is modified later Hill reaction because this is imbalanced. What is Hill reaction? The H2O molecule means water molecule is splitted into H plus ions and OH minus ions. This process is also known as photolysis, and this reaction is also called as Hill's reaction. The latter modified reaction is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight by using chlorophyll gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Means by using carbon dioxide and inorganic substances like water in the presence of sunlight and using chlorophyll, thus glucose and water molecule is produced by releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, and this reaction is also known as photochemical reaction. Plants are also known as autotrophic because they prepare their own food, hence they are known as producers. Thank you.